Allie, what are you doing? What are you looking at? Why is your arm out? You look relaxed. Say hi, Susu. I was just relaxing on the couch. You tell her? Tell her hi, Susu. I'm just relaxing on the couch. Say I missed you. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Yeah, we didn't get much sleep last night, did we? I know. Now, how many times are you up? Can you show her 5 times? Can you show her 5? Oh, almost. You almost did it. I was up 5 times. Oh, it's okay. We'll get some naps. We'll get some naps, won't we? Can you make lammy noises? Can you make some lammy noises? No, not into that today, huh? Oh, well, there you go. There's a lammy noise. There we go. There's some noises. Uh-oh. Did we speed up a little? Uh-oh. Say hi, Susu. I love you. Say have a good day. If I was in Texas, I would come take a nap too. I would come take a nap with you. Say love you. Love you. Bye-bye.